Welcome back to Maths Online class. I am your Maths teacher, Mr. C.P. Varet, and right now, see, we are working for the chapter polynomial. Actually in this particular exercise, so many identities are coming. So many questions are based on the identities, and each and every identities are different from each other. That's why we have to see each and every kind and varieties of the questions. That's why we are taking the separate kinds of the question. Right now, see what is there in front of us. It is the same kind of question. If you will look at the question, so you may find that x square, y square, z square. Again, you will see the same formula. Again, I am going to write down the solution in front of you. A plus b plus c whole square. What is the expansion of it? A square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the expansion. After that, first you have to convert the question in this particular format. Means in this particular format you have to convert, and after that we will get our answer a plus b plus c whole square. Right now, see what is written here, 2x square. So how we can convert this in the form? So x is the x square, but this is not 4 here. So that could be written root 2x square. I think you are getting, because any of the root 3 square, it will give me plus 3. Root 2 square, it will give me plus 2. Such a way it can be written as root 2x whole square. Sorry, it is written as root 2x whole square. This is the thing. Root 2x whole square. Okay. This is for this. Right now, plus y square, it can be directly written plus y square. Plus 8z square. So what is 8? What is 8 actually? If you will factorize the 8, so you will get 2 into 2 into 2. Final answer you are getting 2 root 2. So if you will find 2 root 2 square, so it will give you the 8. 2 root 2 square, so you will find the 8. So that 8 can be written as 2 root 2. And z is again z square. I think it is okay for you to understand. Yes. Little hard question is that, no problem. So this is A, B, C. When I am getting A, B, C, and after that no need to going to be confused. Actually we have started well. Well begun is half done. Okay, it is said. Right now see A plus B plus C. Right now see the things. This is coming in the negative sign. This negative sign is for the 2AB. So it will represent either either A is negative, either B is negative. Again see the next thing. This is for the 2BC. This is for the 2BC. So this is coming in the positive sign. If this is coming in the positive sign, meaning is that B is positive, C is positive, but that A is going to be negative. Only A is the negative, B and C both are positive. You may see from here by looking the sign. This is for the 2AB. So we are not going to worry. After that, next term is for the 2BC. So B and C both are positive. Only A is negative because 2AB is coming in the negative form. From here, when we come to know which is positive, which is negative, our half of the thing is going to be finished. Which is positive? B and C is positive. So B and C both are coming in the positive form. Only A is negative. So here this is not root 2x. Actually it is minus. Outside the square root minus sign is also there. Minus root 2x whole square. Right now see the things. Right now we have to arrange the things. 2ab means 2 into a. What is a? Minus root 2x into b. What is b? Y. Plus 2bc. Plus 2bc means 2 into b. What is b? Y. What is c? Only for the negative sign we should write down bracket. Okay, no need to worry. Plus 2bc means 2 into y into c. What is the c here? 2 root 2z. 2 root 2z. Plus 2ca plus 2 into c. What is c? 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay, z. 2 root 2 z. That is the c here. Sorry, 2bc. So this is z here. 2bc plus 2ca. 2 into c into a. What is a? Minus root 2x. Right now check it. Here it is okay. No need to check. Till here you have to worry. 2 into minus, see the things, whatever 2ab we have to multiply, we have to cross check it. So 2 into minus root 2, so it will given you minus 2 root 2 xy. Same thing is here. After that, this is for the 2bc. This is our 2bc. So multiply the things. 2 into 2, 4 root 2, 4 root 2. Check it the digit. YZ, same. And after that, next part, 2 into 2 means 2 2 ja 4, and root 2 and root 2 they are making the pair. So 1 2 will common, 1 2 will be out from the square root. So 2 2 ja 4 2 ja minus 8. That is minus 8 is coming here, and zx. Same thing is there. And after that only we have to replace the things in form of a plus b plus c square. What is a? Actually a is, you can take the help of big square root. A plus b plus c, sorry, no problem. A means minus root 2x plus b. B is what? Y plus c. What is c here? 2 root 2z whole square. And it could be also written as 2 times, you can write down root 2x minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Once more time you can repeat the things, minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. So this is the thing, little hard question, little typical question, because the square root are not perfect square root. Right now see, this is the answer. So this is all about the thing. Right now we have to solve another category question. Evaluate. Question number 3 is for the evaluate the following by using the suitable identity. Question number 3 is evaluate following by using suitable identity. No problem. First question is that 2x plus 1 whole cube. So again this is the another category question. See the format of the question, a plus b whole cube. So you have to learn this particular formula, a plus b whole cube. It will give you a cube plus b cube plus 3ab inside the bracket a plus b. Very easy. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab inside the bracket a plus b. Multiplication of this and this. Otherwise you can learn this particular format also. 3a square b plus 3ab square. No problem. Whatever the format, this format either you learn or not, no problem. But here this format will also work. See how. Only we have to see what is there in place of a. In place of a, 2x is there. In place of b, 1 is there. So nothing. Directly we will get the answers. We have to follow these particular steps from here to here. A cube, what is there in place of a? 2x, so 2x cube plus b cube, what is there in place of a? In place of b, 1, so 1 cube plus 3ab, so 3 into a, what is there? A, 2x. What is there in place of b? 1. Only you have to fill the values. Inside the bracket a plus b means 2x plus 1, same thing. After that, go for the solution. 2x whole cube. What is the meaning by this? Means 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 x cube plus b cube means 1, directly you can write down. After that, this particular multiplication, 3 2 is 6x inside the bracket 2x plus 1, same thing you have to write down. Right now go for the last calculation, 8x cube plus 1 plus, this is the multiplication of both the terms that we are knowing it how to solve. 6 2 is 12 x square because x and x plus again the 6x multiplication with 1, it will give you plus 6s only. So this is going to be your answer. Very easy, very easy. Right now see the next question. Okay, see the next category question I am going to solve here. 2a minus 3b whole square, that is the second question. Okay, things are, what is clear to you? Okay, right now see. Right now see the things. For this, what kind of the formula will work here? You can see this is the negative formula. So a minus b whole cube will give you a cube minus b cube minus 3ab inside the bracket a minus b. I think you have learned the formula. Right now see what is there in place of a? Actually 2a. What is there in place of b? Actually 3b. So nothing you have to do, from here to here you have to follow the formula and you have to just put the values of a, b, okay, in their respective places. A cube means 2a whole cube minus b cube means 3b whole cube minus 3ab means 3 into a. What is there in place of a? Actually 2a is there. Into b. What is there in place of b? 3b is there. And after that inside the bracket a minus b means same thing 2a minus 3b. First put the values properly. After that go for the calculation. 2a whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2 means 8a cube. Minus 3b whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3 27b cube. Minus multiply the digits first. 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. AB means AB. This leave this particular things for the last steps. Right now the answer is going to come. No change is there. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus. Here you have to multiply this thing. So already you are knowing it how to multiply. Minus 18ab multiplication with 2a. So first multiply the digits. 18 2 ja 36. A and A they are coming in the 2 times. So a square and after that b. And after that this again you have to multiply with this. So this minus and minus will first make the plus here. And after that 18 3 ja will give you 54. Multiply the digits first. After that a, is there any a? No. So only a is coming one time. B and b are coming 2 times. So b square. And after that you may rub this. So that you should practice again and again. Then only you will find the correct answer. So this is the solution. This is the solution. Very easy kind of solution. Right now I am going for the third category question. Third type. Look here. Little faster I will be this time because we are coming in form of the digits. Sometimes the question are given in such format like 99 cube. Same question will be there. Evaluate the following by using the suitable identity. So first you have to convert the question in form of the formula. This 99 it could be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Is it okay? Yes. And right now come to the formula side. A minus b cube. Meaning is that a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Is it okay? Yes. What is there in place of a? 100. What is there in place of b? 1. So right now nothing you have to do, just to fill the formula. Follow the formula. A cube means 100 whole cube minus b cube means 1 cube minus 3ab means 3 into 100 into 1. Is it okay? I am just filling the values of a and b. A minus b means 100 minus 1. Right now I think 100 cube. So 100 cube means how many zeros are there in the 100? Double zero. So how many zeros will be there? Power 3 means 100 into 100 into 100. Meaning is that 1 after that 6 0. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Is it okay? Yes. 1 cube will give you only 1. Minus 3 into 100 will give you 300. And this 100 minus 1, it will give you directly 99. That we are going it. Right now see, solve this particular thing. So this is again 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. And this is giving me minus 1 and this is giving me multiply both the things. Double zero will come. 3 9 ja 27, 2 1 carry. 3 9 ja 27 and 2 29. 29 7 double 100. Right now solve it completely. So double 2 double 4 double 6. 2 2 4 double 6 minus. Add this particular thing because these both are the negative terms. So it will give you 29701. Is it okay? I think it is okay. Yes. Right now subtract the thing. See how I am subtracting. 10 minus 1 9. And after that they see here. This is going to be this thing you can subtract easily. Write down see. 2 4 6 29701. 29701. Subtract. So this is the answer 970299. This is going to be your answer because you are knowing how to subtract. So till here I am going to finish my lecture. Next time we will see some more varieties of the question. Till then, thank you so much.